Hello everyone. Today we are starting the demonstration for BondPOS bronze plan for the grocery shops. So once you have downloaded and installed the software on your desktop or your laptop or a Windows based tablet, you will see this icon on your screen which is called BondPOS grocery. You will double click on this icon and it'll ask you to choose a plan, whether you want to start with the bronze, silver or gold plan. We'll start with the bronze plan for right now. Once you click on bronze plan, it'll ask you to enter the company information. So let's say company is demo store, email id is demo1 at bondpos.com, mobile number let's say 98765433210. This is just for the demo purpose, and you have to input your GST information. Once this is touch screen enabled, so if you click on any button, it will also open this keyboard for you, where you can actually touch the screen, or you can click OK or type through the typewriter or through the keyboard. So we'll say GST 12345 test, something like this, and you need to click on skip key. We are not going to request or enter a key right now. We'll just skip key, and it'll say, do you want your bronze plan is activated, user ID is POS, and password is 1234. So we say OK. Now it says, do you want to add default dummy data? So we say yes, we want to add default data. So this login screen will open in front of us. It told us that the user ID is POS and our password was 1234. So we'll just enter the username, password and click sign up. So we see this screen, which is our POS screen with the default dummy data. So what we need to do right now is, if we want to make some changes initially with the software, so we'll first go to outlet configuration and we'll put our address here. Test street, dummy city, and we'll put 110000 as the so we put the address here, and we save the address. Outlet updated successfully. So first we will enter the outlet. Then what we do is we go to the category, and if we want to make some changes to the category, for example, category 1, we want to change it to fruits. Category 2, we'll change it to beverage. Category 3 will change to, category 1 to fruits. You need to click OK and save. Category 2, you need to do beverage, OK and save. Category 3, let's do it bakery, save. So we make certain changes to the software, and let's do one thing. We'll just for now remove category 8 if we want to delete it, and category 7, let's say we want to delete it. So just to show you how these things work, and we'll just close this. Then we go to some of the products. We click on product number 1, double click, and we change the name from product 1 to, let's say, banana. Okay, before we go to the product, I am sorry, we'll just change the path configuration where we can store the path, where we can store the images. So we go to select path and we go to the PC, and let's say we go to D drive, and we say okay, D drive is the place where we want to save our images, and we close this. We go to add product, double click, change the name to mango, barcode 123. Mango is not an MRP product, it's a loose product which you sell by kilo. This is the GST for purchase when you're buying a product. This is the GST when you're selling a product. This is the price you are buying, this is the price you're selling. So let's say we go here and we go to D drive and we go to images and we choose a picture of a mango and we save this. Okay. Now we go to second product and we change the name to banana and we make it a loose product and we pick an image of a banana and we save the picture and the product. Product 3, let's say we make it as a Pepsi and we make it a beverage and we choose a picture of a Pepsi, let's say Pepsi, and we save this. Next we go to product number 4 and let's say we make it white bread and we save it in bakery, and this is an MRP product. We go back to white bread and we choose a picture for a white bread and we save this, and we go to product number 5 and we make it brown bread as an MRP product and we choose the image for a brown bread and we save this. So we configured some of the products. Product number 6, we will just leave it like that and put it in category number 4, and product number 8, we'll just keep it like that and put it in category number 5, and product number 9, we'll just change the category right now and put it in category number 6. And product number 10, again, we'll just change the category and put it in category number 5. And we don't worry about the images or changing anything. So we made certain changes to the software. Now we go and click on refresh. Once we click on refresh, everything is refreshed. So we only have 6 categories now. First category is fruits, second is beverage, third is bakery. This screen initially shows you all the products which you have in the outlet, all the products. And once you click on any category, it will show you the products in that category. So whenever you refresh, it will show you all the products. So this way, once we click on the category, it tells us which product is in which category. Okay, now we'll start the sales. So we'll start this demo of the sales. So let's say somebody comes to your shop and you click on mango, it says enter the customer. So we say demo 1, mobile number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to put 10 digits and make sure this telephone number is correct, because this is how you will identify a customer in the future when the customer comes back to you. So this is the unique ID of the customer. So you submit mango, somebody buys 1.5 kg, you say done. So here mango 1.5 kg, 150 rupees is the price, 252 is the total after the GST. So 225 is the price for 1.5 kg, and here it shows the breakup of the taxes. Let's say we go to beverage and we want to add a Pepsi. So Pepsi is not a loose product. You're selling it by numbers. Somebody wants to change the quantity. You just go here and say 2, 3, 4. You go to bakery and you choose a white bread. You go to category number 4. Oh, we didn't change the category for the brown bread by mistake. So brown bread is here. So you add few products and you send order to the payment screen. So once you click on send order, the payment screen pops up. So we have cash, debit card, credit card, check, Zomato, Paytm, online. These are the default payment options that you have, so that at night you can see how many orders I took today from Zomato, how many payments we took from Paytm, if there were any online orders, how many payments were received from online, and similarly the cash, debit card. This is very important thing, which is the credit. Credit is the store credit. I mean, you're selling the product on credit to a customer. You're not taking money right now. You'll send them a bill after 1 week or 1 month. Let's say we want to put a discount of 10%. So we add 10 and put add. So you see here the 10% discount, 111.5, and everything changed here. So if we click on pay, it'll immediately print this receipt. If we don't have a receipt printer, it'll ask us to save. So we just go to D drive and we click as 1 and save this. So the receipt is saved and we are on the next screen. Next time a customer comes, if you have the telephone number of the customer, you just put 9999999. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times customer, whatever the customer's telephone number is, you enter. So you see the customer is already here. You don't have to choose the customer from somewhere. So you just start selling. If anything is loose product, it will ask you to enter the weight, 1.75, and done. Let's say you want to sell a Pepsi, but you forgot where the Pepsi is. So you go to this screen and say Pepsi, or just P-E-P, Pep, and click OK. It will show you Pepsi. Wherever the Pepsi is in the entire database, in the entire category, you'll see the Pepsi. Let's say we want to choose product number 10 and we don't know where the product number 10 is. You click OK. If the product is there in the database, it will pop up. If it is not, see, I click product number 10, wherever it is, I don't know which category it is in, it pops up and you can start selling. Something we have here is the barcode. You click here and scan the customer's barcode. So once you scan the barcode, if the barcode of the customer is of the product is 1, 2, 3, and you press OK, it immediately pulls the product. You enter the quantity 1.98 and OK. If the barcode is, let's say, 345, press enter. You see Pepsi is added here because Pepsi's barcode is 345. So if you want to delete a product, you can just click cancel. If you want to add a product again, 456, enter. And the white bread is added because white bread barcode is 456. So very easy, you can enter the product by barcode or enter the product by the product name also. And the customer, you put the telephone number and start selling. Now let's say we go back and this time we do the cash sale and the total is 1215. Customer pays you 2000 rupees, let's say. So it says change is this much and you pay. So receipt number 2, we save it, otherwise it prints immediately. So we go back to a new sales. Somebody comes into the store and he says, I want banana 5 kg. So we click here and this is demo 2 customer, telephone number is 10 times 8, let's say. So we submit. So new customer is added. Demo 2 is the new customer which is already added into the database. So adding a customer takes only 2 seconds, not more than that. So this is 5 kg and you say done and go to screen, and this customer also wants a credit, so you give him a credit and pay. So this one is 3. Save. Let's say we do another sale, and there is a bread, or let's not do a bread, let's just do a product number 10. Customer, let's say it's demo 2 customer, and this product is a picture frame which is damaged or something, and you tell him that, okay, if you come back tomorrow, I'll exchange it. So you can put a note, can exchange or return tomorrow. You put a note, it's here, can exchange or return tomorrow, and you send order, and he gives you 200 rupees cash. 88 is the refund, the change you need to pay back. So this one is receipt number 4. Save. Order is done. So we have done 4 orders, and now the customer tomorrow comes back and he says, I want to cancel this product. So you go to cancel screen. Only the orders which are paid by cash will show up in cancel or refund, because if you give a credit, somebody a product on credit, you don't want to take it back and refund the money. You just exchange the product with something else, right? So product number 2, and no, sorry, we were going to cancel. Okay, in this particular order, somebody wants to return only product 10, and you say, okay, fine, I'll cancel product number 10, and you cancel order, and you say number 5, save. So only one product is cancel, the rest of the products are already there, and you go here and take the last invoice, can exchange or return order by tomorrow. So you have made a note and you can honor it. Okay, yes, I told you, come back. So any special note you want to put on any order, anything, you can put it here. If you don't want to proceed, you want to clear and go back, just click on clear screen, so everything is gone and you come back to the main screen. Now I would like to show you how the customers can pay after 1 month or after 15 days. You go here and choose a customer, let's say a demo customer 1, and get data. Any invoice which he has taken on credit, it will show up here. If there are 10, 20, 30, any number of invoices, any number of receipts which are on credit will show up here. So he took on 11th of February this amount. This is the discount, this is the GST, this is the total amount, and let's say he makes a payment of 500 rupees, and we take a payment, 500, payment successful. It will print a receipt, number 6, and save. Now we go back and look at the customer 1, get data. It says this was the selling amount of this invoice, and this was the payment made on this invoice. So this is the balance, this is the outstanding, because you have already paid 500 rupees. You can print this receipt also as receipt number 7, and you can say, okay, you want to send this receipt to the customer and collect the payment. Now if this, you click here and everything goes away, clear. So demo 2, you want to check, get data, so you see what is the outstanding for customer number 2, demo 2 customer. Okay, so this is how you can check the outstanding of any customer. If you just click on any customer, get data, you will see for the entire month how much is the outstanding for that particular customer. So this is how you can collect the payments. Now I'll show you how you can check the GST reports. So here you go for the GST report. You can choose from which period to which period you want to see the GST report. It will tell you every date, net sale, gross sale, the GST, which is the input GST, that you have paid while you were purchasing the product, and this is the GST you have collected from your customer when you sold the product, and this is the difference which you need to pay to the government. So very easy. You can, for the entire month or for the entire period, you can view the report. Here is the consolidated report. You can just export this report to any format. So this is the GST report. You say I want to export it to uh, let's say XLX file, okay, and you want to save it in the document as GST Feb, let's say for the month of February. You can save this report and you can open it and view it if you have the application to open that. So this is how you can save and view your GST reports. Uh, uh, that is the screen where you can actually change the printer. Right now we have put default printer as XPS printer. If you select all and OK, and you go here and choose a default any other printer from the computer. If you have installed any printer in the computer, you will see the list here. You can choose any other printer and choose that and click save. So the printer will be changed and it will start printing on that particular screen.